Assalamualaikum. This is Ikra signing in to my YouTube channel. Welcome you all to Art Academy. So as you can see, I have painted a little, small quick landscape for you guys with soft pastels. It is basically one of my most favorite mediums, but it's quite messy, so I don't use it very often. Like it messes up all my space and all my workstation, so I don't use it most of the time. I try to do the things with watercolors, which are quite less messy, and pencil colors and acrylics. But yeah, it's one of my favorite mediums, so I want to show you how to make just a quick landscape painting with soft pastel. It's very easy to blend and really very easy to give different textures and different the blending quality is so nice. So yep, enjoy it, and if you like my effort, please subscribe and share with your friends. Please, and do tell me if you want this type of more videos with landscapes and small paintings and quick drawings, so I can work with that more and more. And please tell me what you want for the next videos. Please do tell me. Thank you.